Here is how to unblock someone on Facebook. First, click on the Facebook application to open it. Click on the menu lines at the top left. And then under that, you want to go ahead and click on Settings and Privacy to expand it. Locate and click on Settings. Once you click on Settings, you want to scroll down to Audience and Visibility. So scroll down until you get to Audience and Visibility. Under Audience and Visibility, locate and click on Blocking. So click on that. Then you should see the list of people you blocked on Facebook. To unblock any one of them, just go ahead and tap Unblock. And if you want to block others, click on Add to Block List. Go ahead and search for the name you want to block, and then click on Block. And that's it. So that's exactly how to unblock someone on Facebook. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.